Google may buy popular back into the base of the search engine, but this does not deny that the company is one set of side projects. In 2005, when she appeared, a lot of rumors that talk about the development of Google's smartphone of its one. But Google's ambition exceeds that stage and arrived to provide an integrated operating platform for mobile ship and produce.
The attack of Android on the Square mobile phones for the first time in 2007 can in less than 3 years to occupy the high position in the world of smartphones and talked about by experts and analysis every day, and can say that the Android, which are drivers iOS, but it takes smartphones around the world with very rating from period to period.
Beginning of the Android. The Android on the largest projects at Google and came the beginning of the story. Google with Android when based at the company, which was responsible for development and most importantly access to Surface and Robin, co-founder of the company, as it currently is primarily responsible for the project Android Google. And Google is king through Android to achieve a current vision is to provide a platform substantive standard profit and opportunity for manufacturers to profit the various audience more quickly. Who supports Android? Projects Android platform integrated requests from Google Corporation with many the companies which pay for the emergency of the Union Open Mobile or the Open Handheld Alliance OHA. What is Android? Android is software platform and operating system. A special mobile phone is built based on the Linux kernel. Google has developed first, then the union is open of the phones. Android allows developers to write half of them source in the Java language, where they can control the phone using software libraries written in Java. Google has developed possible to complete programs written block-based codes and other languages. Open or open source. Open or open source means the software used by the Android. Anyone can take a look at it, and that the manufacturer does not have to ask Google for permission to use the platform or even buy for it, and that software developers will not pay for anything in return to make their programs working on the Android platform. The archives of Google, they are responsible for providing innovative solutions for system as they acquires and listen at the same time of the general sequestration offered by manufacturers and other, and all those things are documented and published. Android sweeping the iPhone. After the rejection of Apple and its one Steve Jobs instead Flash for Apple's companies, making the company Azubi recognize defeat and withdraw for the arena of death battle, and only of difference of day with a noun comes. The flash came to the iPhone by the programmer man after the install Android in your iPhone. Many of you, the two systems are running on or more in the same computer, but it say that we will have the ability to work with your mobile phone and one click. Also, if you have a phone Windows mobile version of 6.1 or version 6.5, the probability of running Android on the same phone too large. Technology, its work, geometry, processor ARM has the ability to run the system Memo 5, but hacker Brando Roberts management run Android 2.1 on the came with the Nexus 1 using has Nokia N90. Expert operating system will enter the property of the multitouch on Android declared. Richer on the Google's new Nexus 1. The expert has CyanogenMod is now the network that the Internet Experience for Android. Enter code amendments to the operating system make it accept command multitouch. How the best Android or iPhone? It's one the eternal equation that remain under debate forever without having an answer. Just like the debates Linux or Windows, PlayStation or Xbox, etc. We mainly are not here say the Android is the best or iPhone is the best. In the end, the choice of each person to approach things loved by many factors might be complex and interlinked. What's next? Google plans next obstacle for Android is to focus on the tablet, which means a new stage for Android, as the tablet PC is completely different for smartphones, as already made their version Honeycomb, directed mainly to computers tablets, and there are companies that will actually based on in the attempt to trump the Apple tablet computer known as the iPad. Thank you and goodbye.